Top speed of this airplane, 599 miles an hour.
Wow. Are they turning?
In formation. So the backstory on this guy recorded this for him as sort of a gift.
It was a gift. I wish. I just, locked in. 2 vintage military jets. How cool are these T-33s?
Back in 2000, Bolivia held on to a long loop of 8,700 or so built. But as you mentioned, Rick, they built some. Even Japan built some of them, of the 8,750 or so that were built. The formation flying that we're seeing today is really altitude, airspeed, and heading to move him and his wingman through each and every maneuver safely.
Great words of our fellow aviator buddies. Greg Cully.
Greg spent his time as an air traffic controller previously at the Air Route Traffic Control Center. And busy in Oakland too. He was very busy in the San Francisco area.
Yes. We're going to see some larger rates here, nearly about 800 miles an hour.
Okay, we're a little further out, and that's tight.
That allows Greg Cully and Rob Mitchell to do plus.
Some clear communications there for a Lamborghini and any of the other exotics they have. You actually drive it, they go up the line, you drive it, and they were racing the jets here last night.
Lead pilot, and then a former Army. Scratch is credit.
Scratch?
Combing his hair.
Well, Scratch, the funniest thing, Scratch is very particular about how he looks. He looks great. You gotta always, you can't shut him up.
In fact, I won't go on yeah, just
He has such a passion and invested in it. They are Airshow heroes. The Skunkworks program started with this, the P-80, which is basically this jet. And again, once they needed a trainer version of it, the TF and then the T planes. So they were in, here they are, the photo pass over your left shoulder. They were put basically an old circus tent next to a place that stank. And a long story short, it became the Skunkworks. But look at that.